Hi guys, this is Wooden Railway Mania. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded something on my channel, but I just felt like now is a good time to make another video. So I'm going to make a collection video. This is my collection as of January 2022. I've gotten some new items, so let's begin. So here we have a 1993 Thomas, a 1997 Edward, a 2013 Henry with a 2003 Tender, a 1996 Gordon, a 1996 James, 1996 Percy, a 2013 Toby with an old style face, a 1994 Duck, 1993 Donald, 1993 Douglas, 2002 Oliver, 1996 Diesel, 2003 Mavis, 2003 Bill, 2003 Ben, 1993 Unfinished Bill, who has no chassis, a 1999 Boko, a 1994 Daisy, a 1996 Stepney, a 1997 D261, a 2003 D199, a 2003 Arthur, a 2003 Fergus, a 2000 Flying Scotsman, a 2001 Lady, a 2001 Diesel 10, a 2000 Splatter, a 2000 Dodge, a 1996 Scarloey, I'm not sure of the date of this one, you could probably, a 2000 Sir Handel, a 2015 Mike, and a new in-box Bertram. All right, now we have the road vehicles. So here we have a 1994 Birdie, I want to say. A 2001 Terrence, a 2003 Jack. I'm not sure of the Jack and Pack names, and Harold. So this was part one with all my main engines that I basically use most of the time. So yeah, stay tuned for part two, which will be the rolling stock. All right, have a good day, guys. See ya.